You're a disease.
What?
You're a disease.
What is this disease?
Don't listen.
My mommy and daddy said no.
That's not funny. You know that's not funny.
What's disease?
That's mommy.
Mommy, what's disease?
Stop. Hey. Leave him alone. You too, Liam. You know he doesn't like that. Get off.
Huh? No.
Boy, you got bitch slapped. Stop. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
I'm trying to pet him.
I don't need him barking right now, dear.
Stop.
Y pensar que empezas a sentir pena por lo del divorcio, pero tú no vas a cambiar. Seré un idiota si volviera a creer en ti. Miguel, perdona.